Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what connects heart disease and cancer, two of the biggest health challenges we face globally? Well, today, we're diving deep into the major causes behind these conditions. More importantly, we'll explore powerful, practical steps you can take to significantly lower your risk and embrace a healthier, longer life. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because the tips we're sharing could be a game changer for your well-being. And if you're ready to take control of your health, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. First things first, let's quickly break down what these diseases are. Heart disease isn't just one single thing. It's a group of conditions affecting your heart and blood vessels. Think of it like a plumbing problem in your body's most important engine. It can be caused by blocked arteries, which restrict blood flow, persistently high blood pressure that puts a strain on your heart, or other issues often stemming from our daily habits. Cancer, on the other hand, is when cells in your body start to grow and divide uncontrollably, forming tumors and potentially spreading. The tricky part about both of these diseases is that they can develop silently over many years, often without any obvious symptoms in the early stages. That's why understanding the causes is so crucial. So, let's zoom in on heart disease. What are the primary culprits? A big one is an unhealthy diet. A menu high in saturated fats, excessive sugar, and too much salt can lead to high cholesterol and high blood pressure, both major risk factors. Another huge factor is a lack of physical activity. Our bodies are designed to move. Spending too much time sitting down without regular exercise weakens the heart muscle and contributes to weight gain. Of course, we can't ignore smoking. The chemicals in tobacco smoke damage the lining of your blood vessels, making them narrower and harder, which skyrockets your blood pressure. Chronic stress also plays a sneaky but significant role by keeping your body in a constant state of fight or flight, which wears down your heart over time. Lastly, there's family history. If heart disease runs in your family, you might be genetically predisposed, making a healthy lifestyle even more important for you. A simple tip to start with: try adding more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your meals. These foods are packed with nutrients that help protect your heart. Now, let's shift our focus to cancer. What triggers this disease? You might not be surprised to hear that tobacco use is at the top of the list. It's the single largest preventable cause of cancer and is linked to nearly 1 in 3 cancer deaths. It doesn't just cause lung cancer. It's connected to many other types as well. Similar to heart disease, a poor diet and obesity are major contributors. Diets rich in processed foods, red meat, and sugary drinks have been shown to increase cancer risk. Alcohol consumption is another significant factor. Regular drinking can damage your DNA and interfere with your body's ability to absorb certain nutrients, creating an environment where cancer cells can thrive. We also have to consider environmental factors like prolonged exposure to UV radiation from the sun, air pollution, and other environmental toxins. And just like with heart disease, genetics can play a part. Some people inherit specific gene mutations from their parents that increase their susceptibility to certain types of cancer. The key takeaway here is powerful. Quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, and focusing on clean eating are some of the most effective defensive moves you can make. Your body will definitely thank you for it. Here's where it gets really interesting. Did you know that heart disease and cancer share many of the same risk factors? It's true. An unhealthy diet, a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, and even chronic stress are villains in both stories. This is actually fantastic news, because it means that the positive changes you make to protect your heart will simultaneously help shield you from cancer, and vice versa. you get a 2-for-1 deal on your health. It really highlights how interconnected our body systems are. You don't need to make drastic, overwhelming changes overnight. Small, consistent actions, like choosing to take the stairs, going for a 30-minute walk each day, or cutting back on sugary sodas can create a massive ripple effect of positive change throughout your body. Every small step forward is a victory for your long-term health. So, what can you start doing today to build your defense against these diseases? Let's get practical. First, revamp your plate. Aim to fill half of it with colorful vegetables and fruits at every meal, and consciously reduce your intake of processed junk food. Second, get moving. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or just brisk walking, and aim for at least 30 minutes of movement most days of the week. Third, if you use tobacco, seeking help to quit is the single best thing you can do for your health. And try to limit alcohol consumption. Fourth, find healthy ways to manage stress. This could be through meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even spending time in nature. Finally, don't skip your regular health checkups. They are vital for catching any potential issues early when they are most treatable. Remember, prevention isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and making small, consistent choices every single day that add up over time. While heart disease and cancer are formidable adversaries, they are not a foregone conclusion. You have a tremendous amount of power to influence your health journey through the choices you make every day. By adopting a healthier lifestyle, you can build a stronger, more resilient body capable of fighting back. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this information valuable and empowering, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more content dedicated to helping you live your healthiest, happiest life. Let's build a healthier world together. Stay healthy and stay strong.